Anatomy of a Jamaican. Me believe said that God make Jamaicans custom. For it's only we have head top and foot bottom. We have head side, head front, and head back. But we head not shaped like square, and that is a fact. Uncle we me know that can suck with tongue and cut we eye from we young. Kiss off with teeth and tear we eye out. And screw up a face and pint with we mouth. Me no know wait there, but Jamaicans have glad bag that always a bust, and some button that people press to make Christian cuss. Every Jamaican born with navel string, and some have mouth that set past spring. Then those that have a gap in them teeth, for them bag of sugar is very sweet. Me have to careful me no drop and pop me gizzard. And we program for afraid of croaking lizard. If we mean the cabbage hole in our neck back we tell, and we have 2 nose hole that we use for smell. Then 3 years old is next to we ears corner them. Stick broken at that is a common problem. Jamaicans have neck string that turn up when we're mad, and chicken chest are the people that chest sinking bad. And it's uncle we me know that skin with teeth and have 2 foot and not 2 feet. Cause Jamaican people foot stretch from their hip to them toe, and if you ever step over we, it make we don't grow. From we shoulder to we finger, that is for we hand. But we hand miggle, not in that miggle, you must understand. Then we have some short ribs where gas always a hitch up, and 2 things upon we knee that name knee cup. Then opposite from we front is we behind, and that is we bottom and backside combine. That connect to we back foot, which are no foot at all. Car is foot, but no foot, but no make that the call. So you see, although we all have the same physique, the anatomy of a Jamaican is very unique.